Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
Yeah, honey, I just called my rope special for you. Just for you.
What is it?
It's called Hey Good Lookin'.
Oh.
Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play one of my favorite old-time country songs, Hey Good Lookin' by Hank Williams. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And we'll start with the intro. We'll start with a D chord, and here's how we're going to strum our chords. I don't have a pick or anything, and I'm going to use my thumb and my index finger like that. I'm going to go to my D chord, playing from the D string down, and then I'll pick upward gently like that. So I'm going to play this way. When I go to my G chord, I'll play this way. So I'm picking that low E string and then taking that index finger and brushing up like that. When I go to my C, I'll do the same exact thing. I'll play the A string though. And I want to catch that string if I can on that C chord. Now we're going to play the intro this way. D, G, C, G. And then we'll move along to the verses.
It's called Hey Good Lookin'.
Oh.
Here's how we'll play the verses. We'll start with the C chord, but we'll play the C chord, got a C form, like that, but we'll play it by playing the A string first, and then brushing up from the E string, and then we'll go to the low E string and put the ring finger on the 3rd fret, and then brush again. So here's what we'll do. We'll play that for 8 beats, C to the G note. Then we'll go to D, G, back to C. And that's how we'll play our first verse. The second verse will be played this way. Then we'll stay on that C. Then we'll get ready to go to our bridge. For our bridge, we're going to go to an F chord, and we'll play the F chord by strumming from the D string and upward from the B string, like that. So we'll play our bridge by playing F, C, F, C, F, C, D, G. Then we'll go to the chorus. Now for the music break in the middle, we'll play the same exact thing that we played for the intro, and that'll be D, G, C, G. Then we're back into the verses again. For the ending, we'll play this. For that, we played the open E string, fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, the open A string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and then a C. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play Hey Good Lookin' by Hank Williams on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.